Welcome. If you're already using Google Workspace, you might be wondering which customer feedback tool integrates best with your existing setup. In this video, we'll explore top feedback solutions that work seamlessly with Google Workspace, making it easier for you to collect, analyze, and act on customer insights. Whether you're a small business or a large organization, choosing the right tool can streamline your workflow and enhance your customer experience. Let's dive in and discover the best options tailored for Google Workspace users. Integrating your feedback tool with Google Workspace is crucial for efficiency. It allows you to centralize data, automate processes, and ensure your team stays on the same page. With seamless integration, feedback responses can be automatically stored in Google Sheets, notifications can be sent via Gmail, and collaboration becomes effortless through Google Drive. This not only saves time but also reduces the risk of losing valuable customer insight. Let's look at what to consider when choosing a tool. Selecting a feedback tool for Google Workspace, focus on features like direct integration with Google Forms, Sheets, and Gmail. Look for tools that offer real-time notifications, easy data export, and customizable survey templates. Security is also important, so ensure the tool complies with your organization's privacy standards. Additionally, consider whether the tool supports team collaboration and advanced analytics, helping you turn feedback into actionable insight. Google Forms is a natural choice for Google Workspace users. It's free, easy to use, and integrates perfectly with other Google apps. You can quickly create surveys, share them with your customers, and collect responses in real time. All data is automatically stored in Google Sheets, making analysis straightforward. Plus, you can set up email notifications for new responses and collaborate with your team on survey design and results. One of the biggest advantages of Google Forms is its simplicity. You don't need any technical skills to set up a survey or feedback form. The interface is intuitive and you can customize questions, add images, and even use branching logic. Responses are instantly available in Google Sheets, making it easy to analyze trends and share results with your team. Plus, it's completely free for Google Workspace users. Google Forms is great for basic feedback collection. It does have some limitations. It lacks advanced analytics, automation, and branding options that some businesses may need. There's also limited support for complex survey logic and integrations with third-party tools. If your feedback process requires more sophisticated features, you may want to consider other tools that offer deeper functionality while still integrating with Google Workspace. Typeform is a popular feedback tool known for its engaging conversational surveys. It offers a modern interface and supports advanced question logic, making it ideal for businesses seeking a more interactive experience. Typeform integrates with Google Sheets, allowing you to automatically sync responses and analyze data within your Google Workspace environment. Let's explore how Typeform can enhance your feedback process. Typeform's integration with Google Workspace is straightforward. You can connect your Typeform account to Google Sheets in just a few clicks. This means every time a customer submits feedback, the data is instantly available in your spreadsheet. You can also use Google Drive to store survey assets and collaborate with your team. This seamless connection helps you keep all your feedback organized and accessible. Typeform stands out for its user-friendly design and interactive surveys. You can create visually appealing forms that encourage higher response rates. The platform supports advanced logic, allowing you to personalize questions based on previous answers. Integration with Google Sheets ensures your data is always up to date, and you can easily share insights with your team. Typeform also offers a range of templates to get you started quickly. Despite its strengths, Typeform does have some drawbacks. The free plan comes with limitations on the number of responses and features. If you need advanced analytics or branding, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. Additionally, while integration with Google Sheets is strong, connecting to other Google Workspace apps may require third-party tools or additional setup. Consider your needs and budget before choosing Typeform. Cervicate is another excellent feedback tool that integrates well with Google Workspace. It's designed for businesses that want to collect feedback across multiple channels, including email, website, and in-app surveys. Cervicate's integration with Google Sheets allows you to centralize all responses, making it easy to analyze and share insights with your team. Let's see what makes Cervicate a strong contender. Cervicate's integration with Google Workspace is simple and effective. You can automatically send survey responses to Google Sheets, ensuring your data is always current. Cervicate also supports notifications via Gmail, so your team is instantly alerted to new feedback. This tight integration helps you act quickly on customer insights and keeps your workflow efficient. Cervicate offers a range of features that make feedback collection easy and effective. You can create targeted surveys, segment your audience, and analyze results in real time. The platform supports multiple channels, so you can reach customers wherever they are. Integration with Google Sheets and Gmail ensures your team stays informed and can act on feedback quickly. Cervicate also provides detailed analytics to help you understand trends. While Cervicate is powerful, it may be more complex than some users need. The interface can take time to learn, especially for beginners. Some advanced features are only available on higher-tier plans, which could increase costs. Additionally, while integration with Google Sheets and Gmail is strong, connecting to other Google Workspace apps may require extra configuration. Jotform is a versatile feedback tool that offers robust integration with Google Workspace. You can create custom forms, collect responses, and automatically send data to Google Sheets. Jotform also supports file uploads, making it ideal for collecting detailed feedback or supporting documents. Let's explore how Jotform can fit into your Google Workspace environment. Jotform makes it easy to connect your forms to Google Sheets. Every time a customer submits feedback, the data is instantly added to your spreadsheet. You can also use Google Drive to store uploaded files, keeping all your feedback and supporting documents organized. JotForms integration helps you streamline your workflow and ensures your team always has access to the latest data. JotForms stands out for its flexibility and ease of use. You can build forms with drag-and-drop tools, customize the design, and add advanced features like conditional logic. The platform supports a wide range of integrations, including Google Sheets and Drive. JotForm also offers templates to help you get started quickly, making it a great choice for businesses of all sizes. While JotForm is user-friendly, some advanced features require a paid plan. The free version has limits on the number of forms and responses you can collect. Additionally, while integration with Google Sheets and Drive is strong, connecting to other Google Workspace apps may need extra setup. Consider your needs and budget when evaluating JotForm. Zonka Feedback is designed for businesses that want to collect feedback across multiple touchpoints. It integrates with Google Sheets, allowing you to centralize all your feedback data. Zonka Feedback supports surveys via email, SMS, and web, making it easy to reach your customers wherever they are. Let's see how Zonka Feedback can enhance your Google Workspace experience. Zonka Feedback's integration with Google Workspace is straightforward. You can automatically send survey responses to Google Sheets, ensuring your data is always up to date. Zonka Feedback also supports notifications via Gmail, so your team is instantly alerted to new feedback. This integration helps you act quickly on customer insights and keeps your workflow efficient. Zonka Feedback offers a range of features, including customizable surveys, real-time analytics, and multi-channel distribution. You can segment your audience and analyze feedback trends easily. Integration with Google Sheets and Gmail ensures your team stays informed and can act on feedback quickly. Zonka Feedback is suitable for businesses looking for a comprehensive feedback solution. While Zonka Feedback is feature-rich, it may be more complex than some users need. The interface can take time to learn, especially for beginners. Some advanced features are only available on higher-tier plans, which could increase costs. Additionally, while integration with Google Sheets and Gmail is strong, connecting to other Google Workspace apps may require extra configuration. Forms app is a feedback tool that integrates directly with Google Forms and Sheets. It's designed for users who want a simple, no-fuss way to collect feedback and analyze results. Forms app offers templates, customization options, and real-time data syncing with Google Sheets. It's a great choice for those who want to stick closely to the Google ecosystem. Forms app makes it easy to connect your feedback forms to Google Sheets. Every response is automatically added to your spreadsheet, so you can analyze data and share insights with your team. Forms app also supports notifications via Gmail, helping you stay on top of new feedback. This integration keeps your workflow simple and efficient. Forms app is easy to use and integrates seamlessly with Google Forms and Sheets. You can create surveys quickly, customize questions, and analyze responses in real time. The platform offers templates to help you get started, and integration with Gmail ensures you never miss new feedback. Forms app is ideal for users who want a straightforward solution. While Forms app is convenient, it may lack some advanced features found in other tools. There are fewer options for branding, analytics, and automation. If you need more sophisticated feedback collection or analysis, you may want to consider other tools that offer deeper functionality while still integrating with Google Workspace. Meteor is a feedback platform designed to create engaging surveys and reward customers for their input. It integrates with Google Sheets, making it easy to centralize and analyze feedback. Meteor also offers advanced analytics and reporting, helping you turn feedback into actionable insights. Let's see how Meteor fits into the Google Workspace ecosystem. Meteor's integration with Google Sheets is simple and effective. Every time a customer submits feedback, the data is automatically added to your spreadsheet. You can also use Google Drive to store survey assets and collaborate with your team. This integration helps you keep all your feedback organized and accessible within Google Workspace. Meteor stands out for its engaging survey experience and reward system. You can incentivize customers to provide feedback, increasing response rates. The platform offers advanced analytics and customizable reports, helping you uncover trends and insights. Integration with Google Sheets ensures your data is always up to date and easy to share with your team. While Meteor offers unique features, it may be more complex than some users need. The reward system requires setup and management, and some advanced analytics are only available on paid plans. Additionally, while integration with Google Sheets is strong, connecting to other Google Workspace apps may require extra configuration. Some feedback tools are available as Google Workspace add-ons, making integration even easier. These add-ons can be installed directly from the Google Workspace Marketplace and often provide seamless connections to Google Forms, Sheets, and Gmail. Using add-ons can save time and reduce the need for manual setup, helping your team focus on collecting and analyzing feedback. Add-ons offer several benefits for Google Workspace users. They can automate repetitive tasks, provide additional features, and enhance the functionality of your existing apps. Many add-ons are designed specifically for feedback collection, making it easy to create surveys, analyze data, and share results. Using add-ons can help you get more value from your Google Workspace subscription. Some popular feedback add-ons for Google Workspace include Form Publisher, Form Notifications, and Form Ranger. These tools extend the capabilities of Google Forms, allowing you to automate notifications, generate reports, and manage data more efficiently. Each add-on offers unique features, so explore the options to find the best fit for your needs. In choosing a feedback tool, security should be a top priority. Ensure the tool complies with your organization's privacy policies and offers features like data encryption, access controls, and regular security updates. Google Workspace tools are known for their strong security, but always review the security features of any third-party tool or add-on before integrating it into your workflow. In addition to security, consider privacy and compliance requirements. Make sure your feedback tool complies with regulations like GDPR or HIPAA if applicable. Review the tool's privacy policy and data handling practices to ensure customer information is protected. Google Workspace offers strong compliance features, but verify that any third-party tool meets your organization's standards. Cost is an important factor when choosing a feedback tool. Many tools offer free plans with basic features, but advanced functionality often requires a paid subscription. Consider your budget and the features you need. Google Forms is free for Google Workspace users, while tools like Typeform, Certicate, and Jotform offer tiered pricing based on usage and features. Ease of use is essential for adoption and efficiency. Choose a feedback tool with an intuitive interface, clear instructions, and helpful support resources. Tools like Google Forms and Jotform are known for their user-friendly design, while more advanced platforms may require training. Consider your team's technical skills when making your decision. Customization is important for branding and user experience. Look for tools that allow you to customize survey design, add your logo, and use your brand colors. Advanced tools offer more options for question types, logic, and layout. Customization helps you create a feedback process that reflects your brand and meets your specific needs. Analytics and reporting are key for turning feedback into actionable insights. Choose a tool that offers real-time analytics, customizable reports, and data visualization. Google Sheets integration makes it easy to analyze data, but advanced tools provide deeper insights and trend analysis. Strong analytics help you make informed decisions based on customer feedback. Collaboration is essential for teams working with feedback data. Look for tools that support team access, shared editing, and real-time updates. Google Workspace tools excel in collaboration, and many third-party feedback tools offer similar features. Effective collaboration ensures your team can act quickly on customer insights. Mobile accessibility is important for both your team and your customers. Choose a feedback tool that offers mobile-friendly forms and dashboards. Many tools, including Google Forms and Jotform, are optimized for mobile devices, making it easy to collect and review feedback on the go. Good support and resources can make a big difference when adopting a new tool. Look for platforms that offer tutorials, help centers, and responsive customer support. Google Workspace tools have extensive documentation, and most third-party feedback tools provide guides and live support to help you get started. Scalability is important if your business is growing. Choose a feedback tool that can handle increasing volumes of responses and offers features for larger teams. Many tools offer tiered plans so you can upgrade as your needs evolve. Google Workspace tools are designed to scale, and most third-party platforms offer scalable solutions as well. So many options available, the best feedback tool for Google Workspace users depends on your specific needs. Consider factors like integration, features, cost, and ease of use. Google Forms is a great starting point, while tools like Typeform, Certicate, Jotform, Zonka Feedback, and Feedier offer advanced features. Evaluate each option to find the best fit for your organization. Summary: choosing the right customer feedback tool for Google Workspace can help you streamline your workflow, improve collaboration, and gain valuable insights from your customers. Start with Google Forms for simplicity, or explore advanced tools like Typeform, Certicate, Jotform, Zonka Feedback, and Feedier for more features. Remember to consider integration, security, cost, and scalability as you make your decision. Thanks for watching, and best of luck finding the perfect feedback tool for your needs.